Hey guys, gals, admit it. You want to have your own pickup truck, but the home team, your family, needs a 7-seater SUV to take them around the city and out of town. Well, you're in luck. Isuzu's got your back with the Isuzu Mu-X. This is the 2023 model, and I want to show you a couple of changes that we find right here in this first look. What's going on, guys? Roundup here from Zigwheels.Ph, and one of the hottest mid-size SUVs just got a little bit hotter with the 2023 Isuzu Mu-X. Puka puka pow. But before I continue with the exterior of the new Mu-X, take a moment to breathe this all-new color in. This is what they call Norwegian blue. It kind of looks like a navy blue look, and I really dig it on this bad boy. Now, on the front end, you won't see any real changes except for this front grille now features a piano black trim instead of chrome, which I absolutely love. You still have Isuzu's bi-LED headlamps. You got LED fog lamps down below, as well as a blacked out lower lip as well. You got this nice long hood. It's a clean look, and the changes that Isuzu applied to the new Mu-X really blends well with the overall exterior aesthetic. Let's check out the side profile, because there are a couple of changes that we see right there that I want to show you that I think are really interesting. Now, I've always appreciated the Mu-X side profile because of its clean lines, that character line that runs across the entire length of the vehicle, acting as a belt line for the overall aesthetic. But right here is one of the biggest changes. Those 18-inch alloy wheels now feature a completely different design, plus a brushed aluminum look. I mean, I'm not really into chrome, so applying this brushed look on those 18-inch wheels is really perfection. You still have the same roof rails that are rated for 100 kilograms, this nice chunky step board, and of course, this clean overall look. So let's head on over to the back. There are a couple of changes there as well that you might want to note. Now, out here in the back, the Mu-X, being an SUV, features a lot more of the sport in the SUV because you got these blacked out tail lamps. Now you got an updated rear bumper design, and again, that's it. I love how the third brake lamp is high up there, and the spoiler doesn't really look too gaudy. It's just simple. It's integrated into the rear hatch. Speaking of the rear hatch, this has a power tailgate feature, as you can see. So getting all your stuff in, it's going to be easy, especially with this low loading floor. Well, for me, it's kind of low, but well, for other people, if you want to put all your groceries inside, it will be a stretch. Now, even with the third row seats up, you still have a lot of space right here. You got these hooks for you to make sure that your stuff and your groceries won't be jostling around as you drive, as well as a 12-volt socket. Now, if you need even more space, you can fold these third row seats down, real flat. And the last time I showed you the Mu-X, it actually has enough space to fit in a full-sized golf bag with all of the trimmings. And I can say this third row seats is actually one of the more spacious 7-seaters around in any other category. All right, so that's enough of the exterior. As I close down this power tailgate, let's take a look at the inside and see a couple of the changes that they have. All right, so we're behind the wheel of the 2023 Isuzu Mu-X. What we have right here is the 4x4 LSE variant. Now, we've driven the LSE variant before, as well as the 4x2 variant. And I have to say, if you want to have a truck, like I said, if you want to get a pickup truck, but you can't get one because, of course, the home team would want to get a 7-seater SUV, this is the next best thing. For the 2023 year model, everything's still the same mechanically speaking. You got a 3-liter turbocharged diesel engine that makes 188 horsepower and 450 Newton-meters of torque. And that is mated to an automatic transmission, so no fancy dual clutch, no fancy CVTs, just good old slush box automatic. So you've got 2 drive modes. You got 2H, 4H, and 4L, of course being a 4-wheel drive system. You've got terrain management as well as a rough road management system. It's definitely amazing. You can definitely take this off-road. Unfortunately, it does not have a rear locking differential, but the ride quality is definitely excellent. It's a step above from your regular SUVs out there because Isuzu definitely knows how to make trucks, and I really appreciate it. This is going to be our first drive, but as I've said, mechanically speaking, there are no changes in the mechanicals or the engine, since the suspension's still the same. So if you want to check out that drive, check out this link right here. We'll be linking our review of the Isuzu MU-X 4x4. That's going to be right here on the upper left corner. Again, everything again stays the same. You got your 7 airbags, you got 8 speakers all around, power seats for the driver. Everything inside stays the same, except for a couple of changes. Inside, there are a couple of trim levels right here. You got this dark trim that kind of looks like gunmetal trim all around on the dashboard, on the door cards. It definitely adds more sportiness inside. It's a clean look. I appreciate how everything is dark inside. Again, if you want to know about complete details about that, wait for our full review. Or if you can't wait, check out the link right there or in the description box below of our full review of the 4x4. So that's our first look of the 2023 Isuzu MU-X. The MU-X is proof that you don't have to go all space age and everyone just to make sure that you satisfy their needs for a 7-seater SUV. All you need is a good reputation, off-road capability, as well as enough space to make sure that you and your family get where you need to be, safe, and of course in a great package. Before I give you our full review of this Isuzu MU-X, I want to know what you think about this. So drop me a comment in the comment section down below, and while you're at it, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification icon so you wouldn't miss any of our videos. This is Roy Robles on Zigwheels.Ph, and I'll see you guys next time.